If you're involved in a car accident in Manhattan, you're going to have a lot of questions about how your lawsuit will proceed. Hi, my name is Michael Redenburg, and I'm going to answer that question for you. Obviously, if you're in a car accident, the first order of business is to get immediate medical assistance. After that, you will want to see a car accident lawyer in Manhattan. Your lawyer will be able to guide you through the steps that are necessary to help your case proceed accordingly. The first step is going to be that you will fill out what's called no-fault applications. Those applications are required to be submitted to your insurance company if you're in an automobile accident. Thereafter, you will need to seek medical treatment. Because this was a car accident case, there are some doctors that accept what no-fault pay is and some doctors that don't. Of course, you're free to see any doctor that you want to that accepts no-fault insurance. Once you have completed treating, I will obtain all of the medical records from all your treating providers. Once that's done, I will forward those medical records to the insurance company claim representative for the adverse driver or the at-fault driver that hit you and caused the accident. Sometimes, but not always, the claims adjuster will be willing to settle the case for a fair amount without having to file a lawsuit. Those are the cases where liability is clear and we can come to an agreement as to the value of the case concerning your injury and the amount of time you lost from work. Other times, we will have to file the lawsuit in court. In that case, an index number is purchased in Supreme Court and the lawsuit is commenced. Subsequently, a summons and complaint is served on the parties that were involved in the accident. The next step will be a preliminary conference in Supreme Court. At the preliminary conference, a schedule is set down as to when depositions will be held, when discovery is due, and other issues concerning your case. Thereafter, there will be a compliance conference. The compliance conference is to make sure that everything set forth in preliminary conference was complied with. If it wasn't, then an order will be set forth stating the remaining things that need to be done in your case. After that, a note of issue, or commonly referred to as an NOI, will be filed. That just tells the court that the case is ready for trial, everything that had to be done beforehand has been done, and the case gets placed on the trial calendar. As a practical matter, discussions about settlement are now brought up again now that the case is on the trial calendar. The defendant also has an opportunity to make what's called a summary judgment motion. That's a type of document that's filed with the court that asks the court to dismiss the case completely for some reason. If that's not successful, or if that motion isn't made, then the case remains on the trial calendar. It can remain on the trial calendar for quite some time because the city courts are very congested. I can tell you from experience that in Brooklyn, Kings County, for example, from the day that a case makes it to the trial calendar after the filing of a note of issue, it can be years before your case goes to trial. If you have more questions about that, you can give me a call. My name is Michael Redenburg.